If you're a single mom trying to figure out how to make money from home, then you've probably been told to just get a job or to go back to school. But here's the truth that no one is telling you. There is another way. A way that gives you the flexibility you need, lets you be there for your kids, and doesn't require years of training or a huge investment. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And if you want a step-by-step plan to get started, I do have a free workshop where I walk you through the process, and you can find the link for that below. I know the weight you're carrying, and it's exhausting trying to do everything on your own. I mean, some days just getting through feels like a miracle, right? When I became the sole provider for my son, I knew I had to figure something out. I still wanted to home educate him and to be present in his life, but a traditional job, that wasn't going to work for the kind of life that I had envisioned for us. So that meant I had to find a way to make working from home viable, something that actually supported us without taking all of my time. And here's the good news. I truly believe that this is possible for you too. The real issue isn't that you're not capable, it's that no one has shown you how to take what you already have and turn it into an income. So many mums say, but I don't have any skills. And I want to stop you right there because that's just not true. You already have more skills than you realize. For example, have you ever managed schedules, emails, or organized events? Well, then you can offer administrative or virtual assistant services. Have you taught your kids, whether home educating or just helping with schoolwork? Then maybe you can create educational resources or tutor or sell homeschool materials. Do you enjoy crafting, making art, or designing? Then you could sell physical products like handmade goods, artwork, or even print-on-demand items. Do people always come to you for advice or guidance? Then you can create an online course. You could start a membership or offer coaching. In terms of long-term passive income and scalability, this is actually the best option, but it's not the only one. The thing is, it's not about whether you have skills, it's about learning how to package those skills in a way that helps others and gets you paid. So let's talk about the options. What are some real ways that single mums right now are making money from home without a big investment? The first is virtual assistant and service-based work. So if you are good at organizing, communicating, designing, or handling details, there are businesses that need help with things like emails, scheduling, bookkeeping, social media, and lots more. And you can start part-time and grow as you go, or use this as a stepping stone to learning the ropes before starting a different business of your own. And this actually might be the easiest and quickest way to earn a stable income, but how much you get will obviously depend on how much you can work. The second is selling digital products. So by that, I mean things like printables, homeschool worksheets, meal planners, budgeting templates. People are already searching for these online, and once you create them, they can sell over and over and over again without extra work. So this is really good if you want extra income to supplement something else, but it's probably not going to bring in a full-time income on its own very quickly because just of the sheer volume that you would need to sell. The third is selling physical products. So do you love making things? It may be handmade crafts, artwork, or print-on-demand products. If so, you can sell them online through platforms like Etsy or Shopify or even your own website. And then there's affiliate marketing. And this is probably one of the simplest ways to start because you just recommend things that you already love, like books or courses or tools or products. And when people buy through your link, you get paid a commission. So there's no customer service, no shipping. All you do is just share what's helpful with your audience. And the key here is to build an audience or following that will be interested in what you have to share. And then the fifth is course creation or membership sites and coaching. So if you have knowledge in anything, it could be parenting, it could be budgeting, fitness, or even a hobby that you have, then you can turn that into a course, a membership site, or coaching program to help others. Now, out of all of the options, this is the most scalable for a good amount of income without requiring extra time. Now, I know this might feel overwhelming with so many choices, but you don't have to figure it all out on your own. In my free Idea to Impact workshop, I walk you through exactly how to start, how to choose your ideal audience, what to sell, and how to do it in a way that feels good to you so as to make this work in your life. So if you're ready to explore how you can take control of your income and time, go ahead and click the link below and let's do this together.